Get noticed in this 2004 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors.
The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.